Hello everybody. I would like to do a little shout out to some customers in Texas that bought my ERA and had us do a nice service to it, repaint some of the car, and it's finally been shipped and they're enjoying it as we speak. Here they are, and they're just a lovely couple. And they came up to San Ynez and visited us, and we did a little wine country tour with them and got to be good friends. And it's really, I think that's why I do this. I love that connection that with people that respect what it is we do and love the cars that we love. I think I really wish they lived closer. Anyway, this car, you may have seen it in Nicole's video, which is just about to play over here, the Detour show, and she loved it so much she wanted to do an episode about the car, and tried to buy it off of me, but it would have been cool for her to have it. It matches her outfit. Anyway, this is the car. This is kind of where they all say wait to come here.
Hold on, what's special about this one? Because there's something different about this one.
This is one of 7.
Yeah, this one
really
is
rare.
hot.
Yeah, it's called an ERA Mini, and it's turbocharged from the factory. It's the fastest Mini ever made from the factory.
One of 7?
Yeah,
How long have you had
7 in
this?
black. I got this one like a few years ago.
What is this?
This one is a 89.
What the heck? You've got like some wagon up here?
Yeah, that is a
Well,
Mini Woody.
she would have loved to do a rip in it, but at the time it was, it had a turbo leak, so it was smoking, and it needed to be restored because it had been sitting for years, in a collection. Wow, look at that Mini. Oh my God. This thing's cool. It's an ERA, so it's very rare. They just were stored in there, just hanging out, waiting for me, among those Ferraris and cool other cars. But anyway, when I got it, I really wanted to keep it. I kind of wanted to just have a whole bunch of cool cars like that are classic collectors that, in 20 years it'd be just as cool as it is today, or cooler. And the fact that I think it had like 2,500 miles on it, original miles, makes it real special kind of collectible Mini. But anyway, here's some. I'm gonna put some videos that we took together driving it around and in San Ynez, and just really just having a blast, and see what you think. So we're about to have our maiden adventure in the ERA, and we're gonna take the EV on a little cruise around town, like a mini rally, like we used to do.
Very small rally.
Mario Kart stuff.
Look how easy that one rolls.
Very easy. Seamless.
Mm-hmm. God, this thing is so retro. I got the ERA behind me, and here they are. Pardon me, do you have any Grey Poupon?
I do.
When's the last time you got to use that one, huh?
Why are these so much fun?
I don't know.
No idea.
Hey, is that a Mini? I didn't know they made them that small. We're gonna turn right here. We're just gonna go mob around a bunch of back roads. And how cool that thing is. What do you think?
Unbelievable. It's so tight the way it handles.
Well, As long as you like it, that's all that matters. You want to know the real reason I moved my shop that road? It's just,
I was like, my back, my kidneys.
yeah, if you have any fillings, you will need them replaced. I've been a big fan of the ERA for a long time, and one thing I always wished was they didn't just stop at the saloon, because I'm a big fan of the truck. How cool would it have been if the ERA company had been able to produce one? Well, they didn't, but we're here, and I like to take on cool projects. So I really want to take an abandoned ERA project and transform it into one of my trucks. Let me know what you think.